Hey everyone, how's it going? So with the Tesla Cybertruck here, if you're looking for a color change, check out the color change from Hansshow. These are actually PPF wraps and they're very affordable, less than $800, and you can do it yourself, pre-cut. You can install it. It actually has signature wrap, so it wraps around the edges where possible. You can see here we have over 10,000 miles with this wrap. It self-heal itself, and this is a stone white, and you can get it in multiple colors. They have over dozens and dozens of different shades in gloss and in matte as well. They also have carbon fiber wrap in addition to the PPF. So you can see how easily it just wipe off. So this is self-healing. If you worry about people trying to key your Cybertruck, definitely go with the PPF instead of vinyl. Vinyl is just like paper thin. This actually is a thick material, polyurethane, and it lasts up to 10 years. So definitely consider this pre-cut. Again, very easy to wrap yourself. If you need somebody to help you, you can purchase it and then have them wrap it for you. Fairly cheap for them to wrap it versus them supplying the material for you. So again, I'll post a link where you can find this PPF wrap. You can see signature wrap, pre-cut, and it goes around the corner really well. You can see here, just pop this door open all the way around the edges. It doesn't cut open. And again, for a Tesla Cybertruck. Link in the description. Make sure you use the discount code.